In this guide, we're going over the full Brighten Things Up quest here in Pokemon Pokopia, which is the quest that allows you to wake up Mosslax. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, and you're going to need an electric type Pokemon in order to do this, like Mareep or Pikachu. If you just bring an electric type Pokemon over to it, they'll activate any nearby lights. Just, turn on 3 to progress. And then from here, you need to build a small little setup. You need a campfire, like exactly where I'm standing right now, then a chair and a plate with food. And if you place it near a palm tree and wait for it to complete, that'll go ahead and knock out the next part of this quest. From here, you need to go ahead and craft a bunch of, utility poles, and you need to craft a bunch of them. Place them in marked spots to power lights and the lighthouse, and then of course increase your brightness. Just keep placing these poles, connect power across the island. Your goal is essentially to raise brightness percentage by lighting everything up. And then what you're going to want to do is start focusing on the Pikachu tasks after. Craft a seashell lamp using seashells and sea glass. Place it and power it with an electric Pokemon. And then place a harbor street light near the generator. And then of course there's even more tasks after this. You have to light up the lighthouse using utility poles and power up the furnace using burnable items like wood. As soon as you go ahead and do all of that though, you can finally go wake up Mosslax. After everything's bright enough, Pikachu will activate a device that lights up the area, and this actually wakes up Mosslax and allows you to complete the quest. It really is, as simple as powering lights and completing tasks until the area is fully lit up. It is a little bit of a tedious and long process, but of course you'll knock it out pretty quickly after that. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.